When you think of Spider-Man, you probably imagine Peter Parker swinging through New York. But in the Marvel Spider-Verse, one spider hero stands out from the rest. Not because of web slinging, but because she pilots a giant combat mech. Meet Penny Parker and her incredible spider suit, one of the most unique spider heroes ever created. Instead of relying on spider powers alone, Penny forms a psychic bond with a radioactive spider that serves as the living core of her advanced mech, creating one of Marvel's most fascinating hero machine partnerships. In Marvel Rivals, this futuristic duo has become a fan favorite vanguard, combining devastating firepower with incredible mobility. Now, Blokees has brought that incredible design to life as the newest addition to their Marvel Rivals Champion Class line. So this is a champion class and is type L, which I don't think has anything to do with skill anymore, but just means that this is a large build and is composed of many runners. Scale wise, it says that this is 15.5 centimeter or 6.10 inches. At the back, it does show some gimmick. One is a transformable shoulder mounted weapon. It also has some lighting effect, and knowing Blockies, this definitely has a battery included with it. I guess they are just that confident that their product will sell before the battery expires. Now, this I do not like. Usually, Blockies have everything pre-painted, so I don't know why they are giving us a Penny Parker statue that is completely unpainted. So this is very unusual for Blockies because one of the reasons why their figure feel premium is that everything is painted. It would have been even better if they just sold Penny Parker separately with articulation. That is it for the packaging. Now let us unbox this. As expected, since this is type L, it has a lot of runners. And that is actually good news for a model kit because more runners means more details and more moving parts. So this is going to be definitely an interesting build. And the secret weapon of Blockies for making their figures look premium are the pre-cut and pre-painted part. Just ignore that unpainted Penny Parker statue for now. As expected, batteries are included, but they also provided this manual in case you need to replace batteries. Before we start the build, let us have a quick look at the manual.
When the road is cold and broken, when the sky begins to fall, every step becomes a promise. Every heart can hear the call. shadows, waiting on the other side. Take one breath, stand your ground. The future waits to be found. Rise above, don't let go. Follow where your courage goes. Every scar, every climb leads us to our moment in time. Hold the line, face the storm. Every soul is battle born. When destiny calls your name, you'll never be the same. You'll never be the same. Every ending starts beginning. Every mountain starts below. Hope is stronger than the darkness, more than we'll ever know. Side by side we keep on moving. Step by step we write our fate. Every dream is worth believing. It's never too late. No surrender, no retreat. Every heartbeat finds its beat. Stand together, face the flame. Only the fearless leave Rise above, don't let go. Follow where your courage goes. Every scar, every climb leads us to our moment in time. Hold the line, face the storm. Every soul is battle born. When destiny calls your name, you'll never be the same. When destiny calls, rise. When destiny calls, stand. When destiny calls your name, become the legend.
Starting with the sculpt and details, Blokees did a fantastic job bringing the spider suit to life. Even though the armor is predominantly red, it never looks plain thanks to the clever use of multiple layered parts that overlap one another, especially around the torso, giving the mech a more detailed and premium appearance. The metallic paint finish is clean and vibrant, while the gold accents provide just enough contrast to make the design stand out. To top it all off, the individually articulated fingers and toes are a welcome addition, adding both realism and a level of premium engineering that really elevates the finished kit. Taking a closer look at the head sculpt, the visor is definitely the centerpiece. Its sharp shape and clean finish give the spider suit an intimidating look while staying faithful to its in-game design. The torso is easily one of the kit's biggest highlights. Despite being mostly red, the overlapping armor pieces create plenty of depth and prevent the body from looking flat. The gold details on the chest also help break up the color while giving the suit a more premium appearance. The shoulders aren't just for show. They feature transformation gimmick that allows the armor panels to open up and rebuild the built-in weapon system, adding another layer of accuracy and playability to the kit. The layered construction continues through the arms with separate armor sections, helping reinforce the mechanical look of the spider suit. One of my favorite features is the individually articulated fingers. They make hand poses look much more natural and really elevate the overall presentation of the finished model. The layered armor carries over to the waist and hips, creating a smooth transition between the upper and lower body while maintaining the mech's detailed appearance. The segmented armor on the legs continue the same design language, giving the lower body plenty of depth without making it look overly busy. Even the toes are individually articulated, which is another premium feature that improves both stability and dynamic posing. To tie everything together, the metallic red finish reflects light beautifully, while the gold accents provide just enough contrast to make the entire suit stand out. Turning the figure around the back is just as impressive. The large spider logo immediately catches the eye and does a great job breaking up the sea of metallic red. It's a simple detail, but one that adds a lot of visual interest and stays true to the spider suit's iconic design. The figure also has a light up effect which can be triggered by shaking the figure. By the way, the kit does come with an unpainted Peni Parker figure. And that's the last time we're going to talk about that. Now, for some size comparison, and as expected, this is the part where Blokees always fails. I believe that the spider suit should be a little bigger as compared to the height of both Spider-Man. I mean, Blokees does have this legendary edition, and I think characters like Spider, Venom, the bigger characters, especially if they're gonna be making Hulk in the future, I think they shouldn't be in the champion class instead in the legendary class. They may cost a little bit more, but if the skill's gonna be perfect, I think I'm okay with that. Instead of, you know, this continuous problem that we have with with the release of bigger characters that are I believe are too short. Here's the spider suit next to Venom and the first female character in this line, Invisible Woman again. Well, Venom is already short by itself. Basically, they are both having the same problem. Both Venom and the spider suit are really too small. I mean, just look at them next to Invisible Woman. Here she is next to Moon Knight and Rocket Raccoon. Well, Rocket Raccoon is another story when it comes to scaling. And here she is next to a couple of Marvel Legends, Secret Wars, Iron Man, and Grey Suit, Black Widow. Yeah, if you're planning to mix this with your Marvel Legends, this Marvel Rivals line by Blokees doesn't scale well with Marvel Legends. Now, let's test the figure's articulation.
Every story starts with a spark. Light and shadow leave their mark. Steel and courage, heart and flame. Every legend earns a name. Heroes rise, villains fall. Answer every battle call. Stand your ground,
So, is the Blokees Marble Rivals Penny Parker spider suit worth picking up? Let's start with my biggest criticism, and it's something I've mentioned in previous Blokees reviews: the scaling. For larger characters like Spider Suit, Blockies tend to undersize them compared to what you'd expect from their in game appearance. While it still has a commanding presence on the shelf, I do wish it stood a little taller to better capture the scale of the character. That said, it's hard to overlook everything this kit has done exceptionally well. Plus, with the price of Marble Legends continuing to climb, I mean, they're already getting closer to the cost of some import figures. It's refreshing to see Blockies offering a highly detailed, well engineered model kit at such an affordable price. Anyway, guys, if you've reached this part of my video, thanks a lot. If you like my videos, please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.